Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking about the positions of the letter Ain. Asal, Yu'in, or it could come just like that, easy. Like that or like that. Wara. عسل يعين مع ورع. That's it. ورع. In the beginning, it's connected from the left. In the middle, from the right and from the left. It could look like that and look just like that. At the end, it could be connected, it could be not connected. If connected, it's connected from the right. Written like that or written like that. At the end, when not connected, it's written like that. That's it for the عين. عسل يعين مع ورع. And that's it. See you in the next episode.